Good morning, students. This semester, you are going to discuss about Big Data Technology and Analytics. The subject code MCAS 3110. We have 6 units. 5 units fully belongs to Big Data Technology and Analytics, and 6th unit fully related with the research. Okay, so this research, what are the contributions going on in the big data field and big data analytics? In future, we will discuss. The first unit, I'm going to discuss about introduction to big data. First, we know about what is big data. Normally, data is a collection of informations. It's called as data. What's the meaning of big data? Big data is also data, but with a huge size. It is a collection of data, and a huge amount of data is called as big data. Okay. Then collection of data. What is big data concept? Data like quantities, characters, and symbols are called as big data. There are two types. One is structured data, and another one is unstructured data. We can discuss. Classification of digital data. There are different type of data available in the big data technologies. We can discuss one by one. One is structured data, another one is unstructured data, third one is geographic data, fourth one is real-time data, fifth one is natural language data, sixth one is time series data, seventh one is event data, eighth one is network data, ninth one is linked data. So you can see this diagram. These are the data types. In the market, there are different type of data available. Industry related data and education related data. Okay, so different type of data is available based on the structure and unstructured. Structured, we could identify structure. This row and column is data is called as a structured data. It means like you can take Excel sheet, you are typing the data and row and column wise, easily we can understand. Okay, we can analyze the data very easily. It is called as structured data. You can say one by one. Structured data and unstructured data, geographic data, real-time data, natural language data, time series data, event data, network data, and linked data. Structured data stored in rows and columns, mostly numerical. Unstructured data of different forms like text, image, video, and document. Okay. Then geography data is called as data related to roads, buildings, lakes, address, people, workplace, and transportation routes. Real-time data, real-time streaming of live or stored media data. Natural language data is called as human-generated data, particularly in the web form. Time series data, a sequence of data points typically consisting of successive measurements made over a time interval. Event data, data generated from the matching between external events with the time series. Eighth, network data, data concern very large networks such as social network. Linked data, it is built upon standard web technologies like SparkQL and URI. So, what is a structured data? You can collect the data, you can enter in the Excel sheet. Okay, MS Excel. We can analyze the data very easily. We can understand the data very easily because everything is a numerical phase. Okay, we can analyze very easily. That's why I'm mentioning data stored in rows and column wise. Unstructured data you can identify. There is no structure. Data from different forms like a text, image, video, document. Whenever going to search a particular keyword in the Google will tell you the images, text document, videos, everything. Okay, it is a combination of data. Okay, it is a major difference between structured and unstructured data. It is a numerical based data is called as structured data, and a combination of text, image, videos, document is called as unstructured data. Then geographic data. Data related to roads, buildings, lakes, address, people, workplace, and transportation routes. What is geographic? Right now, everyone using GPS system. Whenever you visit another country, you can go for Google Map. Okay, Google Street. whenever going to visit a particular place, Google Map will ask uh, some photos from you. You can upload it. Everything is data. Okay, you can Google Earth. If you want to visit a US or Canada, you can um, access through your system. Okay, through Google Map. Okay, Google Map will deliver the data. Okay, then remote sensing. You want to extract some roads. You want to extract some uh, agriculture area from remote sensing images. We can collect the remote sensing images from ISRO. Then we can process the images. We can get the result. What are the agriculture area? What are the buildings, roads, and what are the content? Okay, then we can track some vehicle. Okay, through Google Map and geographic information system and a global positioning system. Then real-time media, real-time streaming of live or stored media data. Right now, everything it is online-based system. You can upload some video in the YouTube. Otherwise, you can telecast lively. Okay. For example, any event is occur, any webinar, any seminar, or any meeting is going on, we can deliver the video through online mode. Okay, it is a real-time stream. Then natural language data, human generated data, particularly in the verbal form, we can create notes, books. Okay, then document, it will become a verbal form. Time series data, a sequence of data points typically consisting of successive measurements made over time interval. A sequence of data points typically consisting successive measurement made over time interval means you can calculate flight schedule time and railway timings. Okay, we got to manage a huge amount of railway timings. Okay, whenever any train started from Kanyakumari, we can identify what is the current position, what time it will reach to Delhi. Okay, we can identify it is a time series data. In railway board is managing all trains through global positioning system. Okay, they are managing the time. Event data, data generated from the matching between external events with the time series. Data generated from the matching pattern, external events and the time series to say event based data any program. Okay, you have to manage it. Network data, data concern very large networks such as social network. Social media, it's one of the largest platform. Okay, it is a network based system. Social media collecting a lot of information. Okay, we can give the commands, we can give like, we can upload photos and videos. Some people will share the photos, some people will mm, click the photos. Everything is recorded and everything is countable. Linked data, data that's built upon standard web technologies like mm, some URL, we can click it, it will forward to redirect to other website is called as linked data. Structure given explains clearly data stored in the row and column of most numerical database management system, sensor data, unstructured data, data of different forms like text, image, video, document, etc. And customer complaints, contracts, and internal emails. Unstructured data cannot be stored using traditional relational database. Geographic data, data related to roads, buildings, lakes, address, people, workplace, and transportation routes. Geographic information system, place, time, and attributes. Urban planning and for monitoring environmental effects. We can check what are the status of previous 10 years data and current year data. Okay, using geographic system. Real-time data is streaming of live or stored media data. One of the main sources of media data is like YouTube and Flickr. We can watch videos through offline mode and online mode. We can watch it. The natural language data, human generated data, particularly in the verbal form, level of abstraction and the level of editorial quality. Natural language data includes speech capture devices, land phones, mobile phones, Internet of Things that generate a large size of text like a communication between devices. Time series, a sequence of data points typically consisting of successive measurement made over time interval. There are two kinds of time series data. Continuous, where we have an observation at every instant of time, where we have an observation at the spaced intervals. Event data, data generated from the matching between external events with the time series. Event data consists of three main pieces of information like action, which is the event itself, timestamp, and the time when the event happened, and a state which describe all information relevant to this event. Event data is usually described as rich in denormalized and nested. Network data. Network data nothing but data concern very large networks such as a social network, information networks, biological networks, and technology network. Data concern very large network means it is a whole world. Everyone having account in the social media like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. Okay, these are the social media network. The information network, www dot. It is a world wide web. It will access every website. Biological networks, biochemical, ecological, and neural networks. It is a part of the biological and technological networks, internet, telephone, and transportation networks. Everyone collecting the data. Network data is represented as a node connected via one or more types of relationship. In social networks, node typically represent people. In information networks, nodes represent data items. In technological networks, nodes may represent internet devices or telephone switches. In biological networks, nodes may represent neural cells. Linked data and data that built upon standard web technologies such as a different type of protocol, HTTP, RDF, SparkQL, and URL to share the information. And protocol like HTTP, RDF, SparkQL, and URL to share information. And example of repositories for linked data include DBpedia, dataset containing extracted data from Wikipedia, and geonames, RDF description of more than 75 lakhs geographical features available in the worldwide. UMPL, a lightweight reference structure of 20,000 subject concept classes and the relationship derived from Open COIC. FOF, a friend of friend, a dataset describing present their properties and relationship linked open data in another project that targets the content. So these are the classification data. We can collect information from different sources. Okay, we can collect information from different sources. So it is dependent on the structured and unstructured data. Students, if you have any query, please connect to my mail. Thank you.